Today, I will tell you a legendary story. In 1671, gold herders in Kafr, today is Ethiopia, discovered that some ghosts in the herd. After eating a bread with white flowers and breadfruit, ran and jumped tirelessly until late at night. They told this story to the monks at a nearby monastery. When one of the ghost herders tried this fruit, he also felt full of energy. After that, the monks went to learn more about this tree. They tried drinking the juice from that fruit and stayed awake, praying and chanting until late at night. Thanks to girls, people discovered the coffee plant. It's a belief that Ethiopia's Kafir is the land of origin of the coffee plant. From then now, people use the name Kafir to call this plant, but to make it easier to call, they read Kafir as coffee. Kafir, 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 coffee, 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 Kafir, coffee. And now, coffee is grown in more than 70 countries. What do you think about this story? I'm interested in this legend. And now, bye!